behind the camera. I'm an old truck driver behind the camera. Good morning, family. You can say that louder. Did you hear me? Oh, I know why you didn't hear me. Because I'm still watching yesterday's because I never got to it.
So yeah.
So how was everybody's day? It's technically still night. It's like 8 o'clock, 8:30. I didn't sleep very well, so if I get to Hardin and I'm tired, I'm going to bed because that puts me in range of getting home. But I will try to make Livingston today, and then the house for 10 hours, and then we'll drive over to Wenatchee area and get this load delivered. It's the plan. Hopefully Todd can find me a load in Wenatchee and I can just flip around and go back, but then I have to stop in Billings to get the truck reached. So we'll see what happens. Other than that, I go back to the yard, sit another 24 hours, wait for a load and get going so I have enough hours to roll. Hopefully not. But they'll take care of it. They'll figure something out. If there's a load there, they'll get me on it. They'll get me going. Loads are kind of still a little bit on the slow side. You know, we got these mega carriers hauling this cheap freight, so us people that haul the freight at the rate it should be have a harder time. But you know what? Companies like mine, we're more dependable at getting that load there safely on time. That's what it's all about. Reliability. So anyways, let's get this show on the road, alright? Ain't gonna be much today. The next 2 vlogs after this are gonna be one, because I'll edit this when I'm done. And then, since I'm going home on a short trip, and then I'm going over by Wenatchee to deliver, I'm just gonna put it all in one video. So that's gonna be interesting. That'll probably be an hour video time I'm done with that. But anyways, I like to thank you guys. Come back to watch. It's good to see you. After I post these videos and go to bed and wake up, you know, I have 15 views. Hey, that's good. I appreciate it. We got a few new subscribers. We're up to 310 now, since the 300 subscriber video. Thank you for subscribing and watching my channel. So let's get this show on the road, alright? I didn't turn on the other camera, so you didn't see out front, did you? I know the lighting kind of sucks. We'll work on that. But, anyways, I made a special with Sean's permission. I taken a couple clips and another clip and just made one big clip, and I thought it was pretty funny. You know, I was cracking up laughing after I added the song in. Everything just timed out just right. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that one too. Sean is the owner of Sweet Rides Logistics, and he's a good guy. Him and his wife, they've got a small company, and they're doing really good. It's impressive how they went from one truck to, I think they got 5 and 1 owner operator now, and they're doing awesome for themselves. Because hopefully they can find the drivers that fit them the best. Not everybody fits everywhere where they should be. I fit at Belinsky because it works for me. I feel like more of a family here, and you know, the owner of the company is also a truck driver. His son's a truck driver, and it's a good company. And I gotta get to Joe's message. I seen it was half asleep and I haven't replied yet. I'm sorry, Joe. I'm getting there. So the time you see this, you've already got your message. All right, let's get out of here. I think we can go. No, we can't go yet. We don't even know how many hours we got to wait. The good old waiting game. The bad thing about hours of service is that stupid 14-hour clock. I was ready to drive 3 hours.
You have 2 hours and 15 minutes of remaining drive time.
9 hours left, so just wait here, I guess, huh? Maybe I'll go over and get my coffee. I don't know. Yeah, I'll go get my coffee. That way I don't have to wait until I get to Murdu. I can go grab my drink. Got a Pepsi right there. And then I'll get my coffee, and where I'll probably need it the most is Rapid Cities. Rapid City is where we're going to get fuel, so we'll see you there. I'm looking for suggestions on my video. What do you want to hear? What do you want to see? All that, leave a comment down below and let me know. And we'll go from there, alright? I'm going to hurry up and go over there and get my drink. We'll see you soon. Well, we're getting out of here. Out of here, out of here. Out of Chamberlain, down the road to Rapid City, grab some fuel, and into Montana we go. Montana, Montana, Montana. Montana, Montana, Montana. KLM. Up the hill we go, right folks? Right. So we're gonna get to Rapid City, get us some go-go juice, and go, and turn my lights down on my dash. Stop blinding myself. Yeah, like I said, if I get too tired about Arden, I'll quit. I'll call it a day there. So yeah, we're getting out of here. We're getting down the road. We're gonna go to Lollygag. Not really. They lollygag coming over for no reason. I had enough hours, I didn't have to sit. I don't know. Guess I'm just used to running. Run. That's all I do. How I want to do it. I just want to keep the door shut and run. Maybe we'll run into some snow tonight. Yeah, everybody likes snow. Alright, we'll see you in Rapid City unless we get some excitement, you know. Yeah, excitement.
Really appreciate it. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video, and I will see you.
Oh, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play. La-dee-da-dee-da. There's nobody behind me, don't worry. We're just chicken lights and chrome. A couple chicken trucks just going down the road. 18 wheels of rolling. He's got a 48 footer. Don't see much 48s left. Got a 53 footer. Chicken lights and chrome. Excuse me. Yeah. Chicken lights, chrome. We're just rolling. Thank you, driver. Alright. Rapid City, next stop. Yeah, Rapid City, next stop.
Really appreciate it. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video, and I will see you.
Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play. La-dee-da-dee-da. There's nobody behind me, don't worry. We're just chicken lights and chrome. A couple chicken trucks just going down the road. 18 wheels of rolling. He's got a 48 footer. Don't see much 48s left. Got a 53 footer. Chicken lights and chrome. Excuse me. Yeah. Chicken lights and chrome. We're just rolling. we're in Rapid City. We're gonna grab our fuel. I don't think a quarter of a tank will get us to Billings. I'd have grabbed it in Murdu, but it's cheaper here than it is in Murdu. So yeah, see Pilot up there? Pilot! Where I always feel. Pilot, Line J, Town Pump. That's where we have to fuel. Road closed ahead when flashing. Well, hopefully it ain't snowing and it ain't flashing. Or it ain't flashing. I don't mind the snow. It had a little rain and it messed up my windshield. So yeah, we're gonna come down in here, get us some fuel. Jake brake down. Jake brake down. Down, down, down. That's what we're doing. We're having a Jake brake down. I see lightning. I thought maybe I'm seeing things. Probably just seeing things. I ain't even used my brakes yet. Woo! Try to get moving. Moving, moving, moving. Get that truck go rolling. Roll high. Press it, huh? Progressive shift, man. Progressive shift. Swift. Sure wish I had a fast truck. Some days I wish I had a fast truck. Somewhere over the rainbow will be my dream. If not, it'll be my daughter's dream. Wow. Yeah, I got reserved parking and nobody's buying it. I don't pay for reserved parking. I have to move down the road. I always can find a place to park. Yes, we're gonna put some go-go juice in the go-go truck so we can go gone. Gone with the wind. Swift. I sure wish I had a fast truck. Now I get into the refrigerated service and ruin my job. Hey, Swift. My truck's nicer than yours. Haha! Ain't that the truth, people? Let's go off duty, shut the truck off, turn the light. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. Coming over the hill to Lame Deer. Take my dirty 30 right up here on top almost look like Redneck Low. Hey, what do you know? It is Redneck Low. What's wrong, Sean? Had to sleep? Nope, maybe not. Got Iowa plates on it. It looks like it's a trailer. Looks like it. Maybe put Iowa plates on it. Who knows? Alright. We're gonna take our break. Look at this jackass passing no passes on. Yep. I will get in and turned into the Iowa Patrol. A long time ago,
I can still remember how that music used to make me smile. And I knew if I had my chance that I could make those people dance, and maybe they'd be happy for a while.
On the Laurel scale. Let's let this truck die. Screw up my free pass. Yes, the Laurel scale. Guarantee they're gonna invite us in. That's what I say. This guy seems to be in a hurry, so we'll let him by and let him in and yada yada yada. All that good stuff. Look, train. You see the train? I see the train. Train, train, train. They had a derailment, so they only carried 3 of those airplanes at a time now across the state. Norfolk Southern. Using a rental. Yeah, way station ahead, people. Way station ahead. Way beautiful motion. Turn on the lights off. I don't need one. Way station ahead. Oh, we got a green light. Oh, we got a green light. Party time. Party in the house. It's probably closed. Oh, my luck. This guy passes me. I slow down a little.
Be right back.
Slow him down. Slow him down. Oh, it's open. We got the green light. We like green lights. Green Acres is the place for me. Yeah, the green light. We love the green light. No chase vehicles come after me either. Always like the green lights. I wish we could get it going the other way again. That would be awesome. Somebody's getting pulled in for an inspection. Getting pulled in for an inspection. Alright, our next station is Livingston. Unless we get some excitement going on. Yeah, we all like excitement, right? Well, we made it to Livingston with 38 minutes to spare. Probably enough time to get to Bozeman. Oh, dang, near put me at 700. Now we just gotta work for the circus. And where everybody coming from. Especially when you gotta go to the bathroom, everybody's gotta be coming. Just take their time, no biggie. Got a car that took its time here, got a car taking their time over here. Whole bunch of other cars coming. And I ain't got power to jump out there. Yeah, we stopped at the town pump here after last time I came in late and they were closed. My business is done up there at Yellowstone. Bad enough they started closing the restaurant at night. Oh well. We're gonna go in here at town pump, grab something to eat, drink, get this vlog edited. I will try to and this car is not giving me any room. That was kind of my fault. I wasn't paying attention, I guess. Wasn't paying attention, I guess. They look like stoplights out up there. This is the highway to Yellowstone Park. Trucks can go down this to a certain point, but after that point they unfortunately can't go into the park. You can go into Yellowstone, but not this road. You go over here to Belgrade, drop south, you go through the park on the west side, but you can't go through the park this way. These railroad tracks here used to take passengers down to the park on Milwaukee Road line. This is my new parking spot. It should be home around, I figure about 1:30. Somewhere in there. Mr. Sheriff. Bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do when they come for you? All unmarked unit. They're gonna squeeze by that other Kenworth over there. Room. And go in and use the restroom. I need the restroom. Yes, I do. Guess this guy don't see me sitting here, huh? At all. Or yeah, Renegade usually parks too. Yeah, out on the road somewhere. Yeah, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I took a lot of footage, but might take a lot out too. Like I said, tomorrow's vlog won't be up. I'm gonna make it 2 days in one, so it might be a long video. But I'm gonna get home tonight, hopefully by 2, and then get going by 1. Get out there to Washington and take my break. Take my break. I've seen this truck before somewhere. Alright, we'll see you at the end of the day video here in a minute. Okay, I gotta go use the boys' room, so that's my plane, man. My plane. My plane. Well, this is the end of the day. Well, didn't we just leave Ohio like Saturday? Here it is Monday morning, sitting in Livingston, Montana. You wanna know how hard I've been putting this truck to the ground? I've been putting it pretty hard. You know what we logged in yesterday for mileage? And today ain't done either. I still got almost 400 miles to go. So the time I get today done and add what's on the clock, I'll almost have 800 miles, 850 miles in just today alone. See, check this out. Can you see that? Look at that. That is what we've done since we left Ohio. I know it shows 3 days, but technically that's almost 2 days of traveling. Amazing, huh? And that's on E-log, people. E-logs ain't so bad, and E-logs ain't the problem. The problem is the 14-hour clock. Or like right now, if I was in Canada, I'd still have 2.5 hours of driving. Like get another 160 miles down the road. Because they've got 13 hours of driving. I'm not tired yet. I doubt I'll be able to sleep again. That's what happened yesterday. I slept 3 hours. I was up wide awake. And I'm still wide awake. You get days like that. I mean, they got the hours of service all screwed up. I'm not tired yet. I could go another. I could make it clear to Butte right now. If I had that extra 2 hours that Canada gives their drivers. The FMCSA is just stupid. Just a bunch of idiots, if you ask me. They don't know nothing. None of them's been out here in a truck. And my truck is a mess. Again, and I just cleaned it up. And it looked like I had a party in here. I need a maid. Anybody want to be my maid? Alright. We're going to end this. Edit your video for today. And, we're going to get this show on the road about 6 o'clock this afternoon. So, we'll see you soon, alright? Y'all have a good day. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to eat, edit, bed, watch TV, whatever. And, go from there. Well, that's a loud reefer, I tell you. But anyways, that's it for the day. I'm done babbling. Babble, babble, babble. Y'all have a good day. I said it once, I'll say it again. So y'all be safe, give us trucker space, God bless you. We'll see you on the next vlog in a couple days. Right? Alright. Bye.